welcome back to another POV drive of the M5 comp, man. Make sure you go ahead and hit that like button, make sure you hit the subscribe button, make sure you comment down below, man, so we can get the engagement up. And the likes really help me out, so make sure you guys really like the video and everything. But the M5 is so freaking dirty, but listen to that growl. Ooh wee, that growl is sounding so nice, man. But without further ado, we need to get in the car. I'm just sitting here talking. We need to get in the car and go for a drive, y'all. I like the tint not dark, but I really want darker tint, because without the darker tint, you can really see the ambient light inside the car. You know what I'm saying? So without further ado, man, let's get inside the car. Let's go for a drive. The M does light up. The competition does light up. All right, and somebody suggested that I should drive with a light on, which, you know, I mean, I'm not super smart, but I mean, I can try. I think that looks good. I don't know how this is gonna look on video, so if you guys don't like this, I'm sorry, but I am gonna do it for this video just so y'all can see the steering wheel and stuff. I guess is what he wanted to see. So, you know, I try to please everybody, make everybody happy. I know you can't, but that's what I try to do. But let's get to driving. We're in comfort mode right now because we are in an area where I don't want to wake everybody up at. Oh, that car sounds so good. This thing is so steep. Every day, when I come out of here, I have to like always maneuver because it will scrape. Oh man. Nice. Oh, I want to make this light. Am I gonna make it? This GoPro's kind of heavy. Forget about the train tracks. I don't know if I like the light, guys. I'm not gonna lie. Oh look, 335 E46, I think that was. All right, speed limit 25, so I'm trying to chill, because there'd be a lot of cops out here. If you know, you know. Bro, it rained so bad, so there's like sticks and branches all in the road that they still haven't cleaned up. Oh, it's a car wash. Self-service. But we're gonna, I don't know. We're gonna go. I need to actually wash the car. That was a comfort mode pool. Oh man. Literally a comfort mode. That sounds insane. That's literally in comfort mode. So y'all can see efficiency, eco, everything is just comfort. We're gonna make our turn right here. Oh, that was a little clean and forward. They open the canes right here, and the police literally have to sit there every night because people got into like arguments and stuff with the canes. It's kind of ridiculous, bro. It's literally just canes. Should I catch up to this M4? No. We'll catch him at another light. It's a clean spec though. It's low-key, like, it's nice. Definitely some money in it. Okay, here's the CS tail lights too. It's pretty clean. I wish I could get on the highway with you, brother. Oh, that would have been a good little road with the M4. Oh, it sucks for not going that way. That would have been a great road with the M4. Sorry, though. Maybe we'll catch him again another day. As y'all know, man, I just did a POV drive in another city. Like, I don't know. There's no city like here, bro. I literally love like where I live just because it's like one of a kind, bro. Everybody is cool. Like, yeah, you got some people who like act better than others, but for the majority, everybody is pretty cool. I'm not gonna lie to you. Like, mostly everybody is like nice to one another, which I know nobody owes anybody anything, but it's still just nice to have cool people around that you can hang out with and talk to. But y'all know me, I stay isolated. I be by myself driving my car. I don't really do too much hanging out unless it's with my boy Racky. I do hang out with my boy Racky. I will say to y'all though, this is the, like, y'all saw the moving video. This is like the area that I live in, and dude, the city is just a flex. Like, living in the city to me is literally a flex. Like, it's cool, but as far as convenience and like practicality is, I'd rather live like where I live now. I'd rather not, like, I don't know. I'd rather live outside the city though. There's a charger behind me, but oh, he do better. I eat those. I eat those. I eat those. I love it over here. I love it over here. Oh my goodness. You ain't gotta worry about no plates in the road. You ain't gotta worry about nothing. He know better than to try again. He know better than to try again. He know better than to try again. What's that? Oh, it's a wide body. It's a wide body cat. Oh my goodness. Proof that these Hellcats, I don't know, it might be a TA. It might not be a Hellcat. There's a lot of curves around here, so I don't know if I want to play on these curves. And I'm still learning the area too. I think it's a scat. We'll say it's a scat. Good. Oh yeah, I like that downshift noise. Come on, hit it. Hit it so I can chase you down. he had to turn. I love it, bro. Oh my goodness. Being out here is so fun. Bro, we had an M4, we had a little scat, like that was fun. I like, you know, little challenges. Well, not really challenges, but you know, little fun races, you know, or pools. It wasn't really races, we were just doing pools. You know what I'm saying? This is insane. I love this, like, I love this area where I'm at. I love it. It's amazing. I know y'all like the city POV drives, which I'm gonna do one. I promise. I got y'all. We gotta do another city POV, obviously. But where I'm at now, man, it's just so practical because I ain't got no business in the city no more, really. Everything is just so practical out here where I stay at. It sucks is with my tent I could not see out the window, so I don't know if he had his window down or anything or nothing, but like I could not see at all. M5 tonight? Go ahead and enter the score. M5 2-0. M5 is 2-0 right now, baby. Man, it's great. I need to get fuel too. To get some fuel. We doing so good, man. Hey, y'all, we are at 9K. Like, I literally cannot thank y'all enough for 9K. Y'all are literally amazing. But let me grab this call real quick. It is none other than my mother. All right, y'all. We have talked to my mom. Oh, you know what? I just passed. Would it be illegal to do a, you know, I ain't gonna even do it, but I am gonna do that. Holy cow, bro. This car is a ripper. Just move out the way. This car is a ripper, boy. It is amazing. Ooh, holy cow. But, guys, we are going to this new car wash right now, which I just want to do a little POV drive here, because why not? What the hell? Why is there so many cars here? As y'all know, the car is literally filthy. So this is a nice little wash. But I am not gonna lie, guys, the video is gonna but with that being said, we just pulled up to the car wash. But guess what? Y'all are gonna have to watch that video because that is gonna be the next video. So make sure you guys stay tuned. We have so much epic stuff planned for this M5. So many things to get done and to accomplish with the M5, man. And make sure, oh my goodness, it just looks so good from every angle all the time, bro. So without further ado, I appreciate y'all for watching. I appreciate y'all for always sticking around. Make sure you hit that like button, make sure you hit that comment button, and make sure you subscribe, and I'll catch y'all in the next one. Peace.